NFL Sunday Ticket Monthly Payment. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pay for NFL Sunday Ticket monthly. So let's get started. You have two options. The option number one is month-to-month plan. In this option, you have to sign up. Go to the NFL channel page on YouTube and select Get NFL Sunday Ticket. Choose to sign up for the month-to-month plan as a standalone service. You may be required to sign in with your Google account. Now for pricing, the prices for the month-to-month plan varies. New subscribers may pay a lower rate for the first 2 months, but this price increases after the initial period. You will be charged a monthly fee to continue your subscription. Now, this plan allows you to cancel at any time without a long-term commitment. Now, the option number 2 is 12 payment plan with YouTube TV. What is it? You have to sign up. If you are a YouTube TV subscriber, you can sign up to NFL Sunday Ticket and opt to pay in 12 monthly installments. Now, the total cost is split into 12 monthly payments, which is often at a lower rate than the month-to-month plan. For example, a $378 subscription can be paid in 12 monthly payments of $31.50. Now, the details are these options requires a YouTube TV subscription and cannot be used in some states such as Colorado, Maine, Utah, Vermont, and Wisconsin. Now, this is all about how to pay for NFL Sunday Ticket monthly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.